Greetings friends. Now this question was taken from Methodist Girls 2019 mid-year exams. Okay, it was from the primary 5 program in the school. Priscilla bought some files and erasers for $16. She bought 6 more erasers than files. A file cost 80 cents and an eraser cost 50 cents. How many files did Priscilla buy? First question. Second question, how much did Priscilla pay for the erasers? Now to do this, we can draw for ourselves a model for the files and for the erasers. For the files, we have one box here. For the erasers, right, we have that same one box, but this person actually bought 6 more erasers. So we have one additional box here and we can put 6 inside. And the total cost of this is actually $16. Okay, the question is asking us how many files did she buy. So this is a question mark. In order to do this, we need to remove this extra additional 6 erasers. So what is the cost of this additional 6 erasers? 6 multiplied by 50 cents, that will be $3. So if we take $16 minus $3, we will get 2 equal parts. One for the files, one for the erasers. Okay, so $16 minus $3, this is $13. Again, that $13 will now be 1 nice unit for the files, 1 nice unit for the erasers as well. Of course, in actual fact, if I were to ask you how many erasers will there be, you still need to find this one box and later on add an additional 6 erasers. Okay? So now that we have made the files and erasers exactly equal in numbers, we can employ what is known as a grouping technique, whereby we will group one file and one eraser in one set. Okay, so and then we will proceed to find the cost of one group of items. Okay, the file is 80 cents, eraser is 50 cents, right? So 80 cents plus 50 cents, this is $1.30 just for one group, okay? But of course, we know this person spent $13, alright, for an equal number of files and erasers. So number of groups will definitely be more than 1. So number of groups, 13 divided by $1.30, 10 groups. Okay. So let's go back to the question for part A, right? How many files did Priscilla buy? If I were to have 10 groups, okay, in each group there's one file, one eraser. If I were to have 10 groups, how many files will there be then? Number of files will just be 10 times 1. Answer, 10 files. Okay, that's for part A. So over here, right, it's going to be 10. It's going to be 10 here for the erasers as well. Okay, trace back to the original number of files and erasers. Trace back here. This will be 10. This will be 10. Okay, which tells us that for part B, right, if you want to find how much did she pay for the erasers, we need to take 10 plus 6 because the number of erasers is 6 more than the files, so 16. So for 16 erasers, how much did she actually pay for that? 16 times 0.50, answer is $8 for the erasers.